In this tutorial, I will show you how to create emerge wall sketch effect in Photoshop. Duplicate this layer, go to Image, Adjustment, Desaturate. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur, 5-point blur is great. Now go to File, Save a copy, make sure you saved PSD file. File name is Displacement. If you see this message, then OK. Now delete the background copy layer. Go to another image. Go to Select and Mask. Click on the Select Subject option. Radius 2 pixel. Smooth 5 point. Feather 2 pixel. Go to Output 2 and select New Layer with Layer Mask. Okay, I think that's nice. Right-click and convert to Smart Object. Now move it to the main project. Now place the image center of the canvas, go to Align option, Align to Canvas, click on Horizontal Align Center and Vertical Align Center. Control or Command T to resize this image. Now duplicate this layer. Select the background layer and create a solid adjustment color layer and select black color. Hide the top image layer. Select this layer, make sure foreground color is white. Go to Filter, Filter Gallery. Open Sketch panel and select Photography. Detail 5 and darkness 25, then OK. Again go to Filter, Blur, Surface Blur. Radius 5 pixels and threshold 50, then OK. Change the blend mode is dissolve. Go to Layer Style and select Stroke. Size 6 pixel, position inside, blend mode normal, opacity 80%, color is white. Hold Shift and select Color Fill Layer, right-click and convert to Smart Object. Change the blend mode is Screen. Go to Filter, Distort, Displace and open this file which you saved some time ago. Unhide the top image layer. Select Gradient tool. Select the layer and mask. Now drag right to left. Pick brush, make sure foreground color is black. Create a soft brush. Drag to remove the unnecessary part of this image. Hold Alt or Option key to place a copy of mask on the bottom layer. Select the mask, go to Image, Adjustment, Invert. This is the final result. Thanks for watching.